Unity 6076, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Runway 21, clear for 76.
Sterling 1608, line up runway 21.
Line up runway 21, and they call to 17.
Qantas 776, you'll be number 1 to the jet, also follow the A320 ahead to holding point, Whiskey runway 21.
Whiskey runway 21, number 1, Qantas 776.
JetX 838, number 2 to the 787 on Bravo, taxi holding point, Whiskey runway 21.
Hello, Bravo Whiskey runway 21, number 2 of the 78 JetX 838.
Unity 6076, contact patches.
Patches ready, 6076.
Netlink 6, correction, Netlink 1608, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Runway 21, clear for takeoff, Netlink 1608.
Velocity 9209, I'll line up runway 21.
Line up runway 21, Velocity 9209.
Tower good, I think we're going to have 544 on the Alice runway 21.
Tower 544, Perth Tower, continue approach.
Continue approach, we're going to have 544.
Netlink 1608, contact departures.
Departures Netlink 1608, good day.
Okay. Velocity 9209, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Runway 21, Perth Tower, Velocity 9209. Perth Tower, just 116 ready.
Jetstar 116, Perth Tower, copy, ready.
Thanks.
Netlink 1710, there was just a delay with the left turn, hence Virgin being before you, but you'll be next. Wagonair 544, wind 180 degrees, 12 knots, runway 21, clear to land.
Runway 21, clear to land, we're going to have 544.
So, Tower, good day, Velocity
1889, ready in sequence.
Copy 1889.
Perth Tower, get over City 690, right?
Copy 690 tower.
Perth Tower, Netlink 1738 ready.
Going 1738 tower.
Tower Malaysia 124, good day, ready.
Malaysia 124 Perth tower. Copy 9209, contact departures.
Departures 9209, bye-bye. Tower, get over, 1486.
Copy 1486 tower. Netlink 1710, line up runway 21.
Line up runway 21, Netlink 1710.
Netlink 1710, traffic's on a 4 mile final, will be ready immediate.
Netlink 1710.
Okay, 544, proceeded.
Pioneer 544, contact down 122.2.
122.2, we're going to 544.
Netlink 1710, runway 21, cleared for immediate takeoff.
Runway 21, clear for takeoff, Netlink 1710. Perth Tower afternoon, Netlink 1648, ready.
Netlink 1648 tower. Roughly 1486, wind 180 degrees 10 knots, runway 21, cleared to land.
21 clear to land, Velocity 1486.
Netlink 1621 tower.
Tower, good afternoon, Netlink 1621.
Netlink 1621 tower, reduced to minimum approach there, we've got a heavy departure ahead.
Reduced to minimum, Netlink 1621.
Netlink 1710, contact departures.
Departures, Netlink 1710.
Target Netlink 1636, ready.
Netlink 1636 tower. On a 776, line up runway 21, be ready immediate, traffic on a 4 mile final.
Line up, runway 21, close 776.
Velocity 1486, expedite vacating at Charlie 6.
Okay. Take it AirAsia 976 ready.
GX 976 tower. On a 776, runway 21, cleared for immediate takeoff.
Good takeoff, class 776.
Netlink 1621, wind 180 degrees 10 knots, runway 21, cleared to land.
Cleared to land, runway 21, Netlink 1621.
Same.
Netlink 1648, are we number 1 or 2 to the dash on our left?